Today marks a historic moment for Somalia. Residents of the capital city, Mogadishu, are voting in a direct local election for the first time in more than half a century, as the city begins a long-awaited return to universal suffrage. Voting is currently underway across all 16 districts of the Banadi region, with polling stations opening early this morning. Long queues formed as residents arrived to cast their ballots in elections many are describing as a turning point for local governance. More than 1 million people registered to vote, though electoral officials say fewer than half of the registered voters have so far collected their voter cards, a factor that has added to controversy surrounding the process. The elections will determine 390 local council seats, divided between Category A councils with 27 members and Category B councils with 21 members. A total of 1,604 candidates, nominated by 20 political parties, are contesting the vote, according to Somali National Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission. President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud's Justice and Solidarity Party has fielded candidates for all available seats, making it the most represented party in the election. Election data shows a strong youth presence, with nearly 69% of candidates near the age of 36. However, women make up only 23% of contestants, highlighting the persistent gender gaps in Somali political participation. Security has been significantly tightened across the capital. More than 10,000 police officers and security personnel have been deployed to protect the polling stations, roads, and key infrastructures. Authorities have also restricted vehicle movements and suspended flights to and from Aden Ade International Airport for the day. Despite the historical nature of the vote, the elections are taking place aimed political divisions. Several major opposition figures and regional administrations have boycotted the polls, arguing the process lacked broad political consensus. The federal government has rejected those claims, describing the vote as a necessary step towards restoring universal suffrage and strengthening democratic accountability. Voting is expected to conclude later today. The Electoral Commission has not yet announced when the official results will be released. For many voters in Mogadishu, today represents more than an election. It is a chance to reclaim a voice in how their city is governed. After decades without direct voting, I'm Lul Osman, and this is Somali Report.